everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you here new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss update. Let's get start the video without wasting your time. So here's problem: Snapchat not working on your phone. So how can fix this issue? Simply step by step and follow them. So guys, first of all, open settings on your phone and then search here Snapchat. Search Snapchat app and then tap on force stop and then click here force stop and back home screen, close the page. Again open settings on your phone and then scroll down and click on systems. Now then tap on reset options. Now click on reset Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now tap it reset and back home screen, close the page. After that update your app from your phone and then tap on Play Store and iOS App Store and search here Snapchat app. So there is updated Snapchat app, so please update your app and again back home screen, close page. So clear cache Android and go to settings and then tap settings. Now search here Snapchat app and then tap on storage and cache. After that clear cache. Now tap it and clear storage, back home screen, close page. Again reboot your phone as simple. Can something solve the problem if this issue is related on the phone operating systems? Now tap on power off button and then restarts your phone and back. Check for updated your phone, then settings and then scroll down and check here the updated. Now search here update systems. Now check here online updated, and if you hear asking to update your phones, please update your phone. So now log out and log into your Snapchat account. After that open Snapchat app and then tap on profile icon and then tap on settings and scroll down and tap on log out and then back home screen, close page. Again open Snapchat app and log in. Again tap on login Snapchat app and reinstall the Snapchat app. Tap on uninstalls and again install app on your phone. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching video. Thank you.